S&P 500 Index Futures Daily Forecast, December 6th, FXEmpire.com. The S&P 500 futures initially fell during the session, but as you can see, we did get some support right around the 1400 level, which would be expected as a large round psychological important number. Plus, it has a history of being both support and resistance. So, having said that, we formed a little bit of a hammer, probably more of a neutral candle, quite frankly. And we see the 1400 to 1420 level being a bit of a holding pattern until we get some kind of resolution or dissolution of the fiscal cliff talks in the United States. Quite simply put, the markets are being held hostage a bit, and we'll have a hard time going in one direction or the other. However, sooner or later, Wall Street will explain to Washington what it's going to do. So, a lot of times what will happen is these guys in New York will start selling things off, the market falls precipitously, and then Washington gets it together. There could be that possibility. If that happens, the politicians will get together and will fix it. Quite simply put, though, right now everybody's too busy playing politics to actually do it, and as such, the markets are patiently waiting. But we have to think now that we're getting closer. We're only a couple weeks away now before automatic sequestration hits. The markets will eventually force them to do something. So we think the real risk right now is to the downside, barring some kind of miracle announcement. But in the short term, we think that we will stay between 1400 and 1420.